Assalam-o-Alikum everyone, I hope you are all well. Start with the great name of Allah who is most Rahman and Rahim. If you want to watch videos on art, dye and craft, have come to the right channel. So let's start today's topic without wasting time. Then our today's topic is how to make easy flower. Just follow the steps that have been taken earlier in this video so that your flower can be formed correctly. Now join this loop with it, and after joining pick up an air stick and cut it the way you are looking at the screen at the moment. And insert the corner of the yellow sheet in the middle of this stick and fold all the way you are looking at the screen at the moment, and then spread out all the flowers the way you are looking at the screen. Now your flower is ready. Subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for more interesting videos, and like and share. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.